Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing, February the 17th, 2025. The reason I haven't been making videos the last day or so, as you can probably hear, I have no voice. I just wanted to make this video to let you guys know I haven't abandoned you. We're a little under the weather, and it's not even being under the weather for this. It's more of I have no voice. So we're going to get into this, and it's going to be a 5 minute or less video because I have no voice. This is going to be hard to listen to. If we go into, we'll do this all in the hour time frame. You can see the Bitcoin price is still trading sideways. It's below the 98,172 50-day in the daily, and it's still above the 93 or the 100-day, 93,000. Trading within that range, deciding if we're going to break down. And if it breaks down, the next big underneath support is the 200-day in the daily at 84,000 and change. And we're going to roll straight through this. Bitcoin dominance is trying to trade back to the upside after it's been trending downward after its big 10% move a couple of weeks ago. We'll continue to pay attention to that as that's an indicator for altcoins being bearish or bullish as we have a ground blizzard here at work right now. You got XLM. You're trading just below the 100-day in the daily, or the out in the daily time frame. And if we look at it in the daily, you can see I still think that bearish cross. Now we're down to 37.5 cents. The 100-day is starting to trade parallel to down. The 200-day is running parallel as I'm looking at a ground blizzard here in the great state of Michigan with a current temperature of 19 degrees J. And you can see where it got rejected by that 100-day moving average in the daily time frame. I still think we're going to get that bearish cross. And where I think this price wants to move next is a double bottom at that 28-cent 200-day moving average. And then you could have a substantial maybe run back to the upside, or you might continue to get rejected and come down to some major underneath support between that 16 and 18-cent level in the XLM, as we have been short to medium term bearish for quite some time. Ever since we had that regional top at 63 cents, we were out ahead of it, ahead of the field, letting you know we were short to medium term bearish once we got right into this range after the peak. And then we established this 43 cents as a short to medium term bullish or bearish. And we've been below it now, besides a couple of wicks above it, but we could never hold above it right there in mid January. And we've been out ahead of this, telling you we had some downside, telling you we were probably going to hit the moving averages on the underneath. And then we actually did come down to that 200-day moving average, but it was on a wick. And I think we're coming back down there in the short term. And we're going to end this video with XRP. I'll try to give you another video later, depending on my voice. I just wanted to let you guys know I haven't been abandoning you the last couple of days. We've had some voice problems, and if I can't talk, I obviously can't make videos. I believe we're in this head and shoulders topping out reversal pattern. We diagnosed, sniffed out, and detected this back here before the head was formed. And then we did form the head on that big quick flush. That got us just above the 200-day moving average at $1.77. And now we're forming that right shoulder. And we've come up now to the mean of the left shoulder right here. The wick high is 289, but the mean of the candle bodies, we're down here at about 261 to about 280. And we did wick up to 283. So this might just be your right shoulder forming. And then if it is, you're going to start to trade back down towards the neckline, and your technical target is $1.99 or $1.29. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace and love.